Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today it's something different. As always, I don't do everything the same. Sometimes I switch it up. So today is gonna be something I never have done before. It's gonna be unboxing. Yeah, where's my big box? Boom. Hey, look at this. That's nice, good looking box. So let's see what's inside the box. Yay! All the way from Netherlands. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it got some unpacking, some instructions, but you guys already see what it says. It says Schuberth. I like my Schuberth. Yep. Let's see what's inside. Put this on the side and do this trick again. Boom. Look at this. That's some nice packaging. Let's open this up without any further ado. I am actually very excited. I was thinking about this for a very, very long time. Look at this. What? We need that drums, that look at this. She's beautiful. She's so beautiful. Let's hand this over here. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Schuberth C5 modular helmet. And just to be more fancy, a SC2 comm systems, which is actually built in partially into the helmet. It's a medium size, and this is the reason. This is the reason that I actually replaced my E1. I love my E1 helmet. This is my old E1 helmet. I love this helmet. This is an amazing helmet. I think it's the quietest helmet you can get. But there is one little problem. For the last 2 years, I was working on getting back in shape and losing some weight. And yes, I lost my weight from the places I didn't think I'm gonna lose. So my head got smaller and my E1 got too big for me. So this is my new helmet. Let's try to put it on. I did measure them before I purchased it directly online. So let me see if I actually measure it right. What? Got some Velcros too. Nice. Wow. Right on. Yes. Now the helmet is not moving on my head. I will still, those helmets, you can fit them actually perfectly all around the head. So I will play around with the fittings for it. But oh, what a difference. The other helmet was actually, oh, this has got a nice Velcro to it. Nice. The little pad underneath my chin got a Velcro. And a clicky strap. Beautiful. And the sun visor somewhere here. Hello. It has a memory visor over here, so when I clip it like that, I open it up and I close it back on. It stays where it's supposed to stay. And one more important thing for me is I can lock this in that position somehow. Yeah. So I can ride with the open helmet and a camera actually on the top. Yay! Fuck yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to install the cam system on it and see how that's gonna go. Velcro. Woo. Nice. Very nice little helmet. Oh yeah, I like it. I'm forgetting that this is not like my old one. Nice, very, very nice. Where are my glasses at? There you go. So let's open this little guy out. Hold on. We're gonna switch these things around. I'm gonna put the little beautiful white helmet on the side. Get a little knife and open this up. So yeah, I didn't want to have any fancy colors. I for sure didn't want it black, because black, it just gets so hot. Oh, let's see this. Oh, look at this. Nice. So this is the actual comm system. Comes for a helmet. This is the battery pack, which is in the back of the helmet. This is the remote, which is on the side of the helmet, but people don't really realize that you can put this remote actually anywhere you want. And it's supposed to work actually. Oh, I got some mic pads. There you go. This is a microphone right here. Like I said, it's supposed to work actually connecting with cardinal cable. Separate battery for the remote. The remote does require a battery, and this battery and this remote, it's supposed to last for, they say, 18 months or so. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to learn an all brand new system, because I kind of used to the cardinal. But this is a test. This one here is going to be a test, because if I don't like the quality of it, if I don't like the connectivity of it, I'm just going to go back and reinstall the Cardo on the helmet. Okay, I'm not going to bore you guys with the installation of it, because you guys can see it anywhere else online. So I'm just going to quickly put this thing together and we go from there. I will try to connect everything and tell you how it is. And this is it for a little reveal of the new Schuberth C5 helmet. Yes, I was just going through this, how to plug it in, how to hook it up. Everything works actually very well. I am actually impressed of the sound. I was skeptical about it. I want to see how this thing actually works on the bike. But for now, that's what it is. Guys, thanks for watching. This is not a review. This is, oh, my light just died. Guys, be good. Ride safe. Peace.